Today I'm going to be turning this small piece of pecan. I had quite a few pieces and I've been tossing them. I should have rethought that because there's little things I could have done with them, like make mini vases, cups, whatever. But yeah, I've been tossing them. Not a good idea. So anyhow, I'm going to get to it. Hope you folks enjoy the video. I mounted this piece into the chuck a bit different than what I normally do. I've seen other people do it, but I might want to reconsider doing it. Dismount from the chuck. This piece was definitely high speed. I really do enjoy turning pecan. I like the way it turns. Finished product usually looks really nice. It's super light, but I do apply pure walnut oil. It adds a little bit of color to the wood, but it's really nice wood to turn. The people next door had a pretty large pecan tree, and they trimmed it up, and I was able to acquire about 8 logs from that particular tree. So that was earlier in the year, but I did seal up the ends, and currently it's covered up and in the drying process. Maybe by the end of the year I'll be able to turn one of the pieces, maybe a couple of the pieces, but we'll see how it works out. So now for the sanding, I started off with 150 grit and ended with 320. The piece was already smooth. As like I mentioned, it's really nice turning pecan wood, so I really didn't have to do a lot of sanding. Later on, I'll apply some pure walnut oil and then polish the piece out. Now I'm going to apply pure walnut oil. Once it dries up a little bit, I'll sand it off, and then I'm going to use Yorkshire polishing compound to finish the piece off. And now to part the piece. It came out really nice. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. I really enjoy making these smaller pieces than I do the larger pieces. But this one's 2.5 inches high, 2 inches at the top, and I will put it with the other small pieces that I've made in the past. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.